Alright babes, jumping right into this video. If you would like to see how I transformed my hair from this old weighed down silk press into this really cute, flirty, feminine, girly, Barbie, bouncy ponytail, like this is so cute. I love this style. When I had it in, make sure you stay tuned. So as I previously stated, this hairstyle is super easy and affordable to do. I am starting off with a previous silk press that I had did on my hair. So my hair is already straightened and blow dried from a previous style. I highly recommend doing this style when your hair is in this state, so that way the ponytail can be as sleek as possible and you don't have to worry about applying additional heat onto your hair. If you're starting off with your hair in its natural state, then you definitely want to blow dry it and flat iron. So a few items you're going to need are hair ties, a pomade, or some type of edge booster or something to slick your hair down and mold it, some hairspray to also slick your hair down and mold it, a wax stick for sleekness and shine, and also molding. You're going to need some glue, and you're also going to need some bio silk or a lightweight oil of your choice, flat irons, curling irons, some hair, and wrapping strips as well. And the hair that I'm using is virgin hair from VHS, which is listed all in my description box below, and that is my personal hair company. So if you're interested in purchasing hair, definitely check it out, and thank you for supporting my business. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with combing my hair all the way up into the ponytail, and you want to use a fine tooth comb and also a bristle brush to get your hair combed into the position that you want your ponytail to be in. So take your time doing this, and comb the hairs in the direction you want them to go in, because this is going to also start the foundation of our mold. So once you got the ponytail kind of settled on the top of your hair as far as how high you want it to go, we're going to go in and section off the front of the hair for the bang that we're going to do. Now that I have my hair positioned where I need it to be, I'm going to go in and start the molding process. So I am just taking some of this edge booster, and I'm applying it only to the perimeter of my head and my hairline pretty much, because I don't want my whole head to be full of product, and it really don't need it. Now if you need more product, of course apply more, but with this edge booster it does turn white, so you don't want to use too much of it if you don't have to, because the more you use, the more it will turn white when it's mixed with other products. So you just saw me go in, like I said, with the edge booster and the wax stick, and I'm just taking my bristle brush, brushing my hair up, and then taking the ponytail out of the hair tie and holding it with my hand. And now I'm taking a hairspray to spray all around the ponytail, using my hand to smooth it in, and then I'm taking the blow dryer with my other hand to blow dry the hairspray, and this is going to set our mold. And I'm using my hands to hold it down and again smooth the hair into place. So you kind of got to use both of your hands, multitask, and take your time you're doing this, because once the hair is molded, you can manipulate it, but you don't want to do that. It's just doing too much work. So make sure that you have the mold where you want it to go, hold it into place, smooth it with your hands, and use your blow dryer once you get it to where you need it to go. Now for this bang section, you can add some hair in, which I was going to, but then I was like, I kind of like how natural the bang area looks. Like, it just makes the hairstyle look more natural, so I didn't add any hair in. But I'm just going in to split this bang into two, and I think I ended up curling these bangs, but this is how the bang's going to be for now. It's kind of cute with my own hair. I don't even need to put no extensions. Oh, Okay, y'all, so now let's get started with the most important part, which is the ponytail. So what you want to do is take your ponytail, and I've added 3 rubber bands onto the ponytail, and I have them about an inch to a half an inch. I don't know, child. I have them spaced about an inch to a half an inch apart from each other, and these are going to act as anchors for when we wrap our bundle hair around our real ponytail. Just going to give it more security. And now I am taking my wrapping strips, the black wrapping strips, make sure they're black so they can camouflage you and your hair. And I am wrapping this around my ponytail, and this is to protect my hair from the glue.
And if you getting paid, it's solely based on your performance.
Yeah, 2 Chainz ain't never lied when he said that part. But anyways, now I'm going in with my hair. Again, this is hair from my personal hair company, guys. Thank you for supporting, for those who have thus far. And if you haven't, I have some of the best hair at the best price. So go check me out. To the ponytail, so what we're going to be doing is taking some of that glue and putting a layer of that glue onto our ponytail, starting from the base and working our way all the way down to the end. And you can put this on the top part of the ponytail and up under it, but we're just going to just do the top. You want to take your blow dryer to kind of dry the glue down and make it a little tacky so that it's not as messy when we begin to wrap our bundle hair around the ponytail. So starting with your bundles or your bundle, you want to take the end of your bundle and start at the end of your ponytail, pressing the end of that the extension, the weft, into the ponytail in the glue. Once you got it stuck on there and it's secure, you want to begin to wrap the weft around the ponytail, being mindful to keep the wefts close together as you're wrapping them. And you want to just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until you get to the base of the ponytail. And you want to secure the end of the weft either with a bobby pin, or you can glue it, secure it with some glue onto the base of the ponytail. So now that we have our ponytail on, honestly, I could go out the house like this, honey. But no, we're not going to do that because this style looks half done. Okay, you can still see track and all. But anyways, this hair is so beautiful. Like, this is my loose wave texture. It is my favorite texture ever. Like, if you want to get a texture to try out, I highly recommend getting the loose wave. Like, it's my favorite. But anyway, as y'all can see, I'm loving this ponytail. So now I'm going to go in with a curling iron, and I am going to go in to curl my bang, and I'm curling it going away from my face. I like to curl my curls away from my face. You can curl them however you want to do it. And this curling iron, I have a video coming up on it soon, comparing this curling iron to the T3i. So if you want to see that high end and low end, that's coming soon. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. But anyway, I'm curling my bang, and then now you see me going in to take a piece of hair from our ponytail, and this is what I'm going to use to wrap around the base of the ponytail to hide that weft, track, extension, whatever you want to call it. It's called a weft. So I'm using this piece of hair to wrap it around the base of the ponytail to hide the weft. Spraying it with some hairspray. I think I straightened it with my Babyliss Pro flat irons to make it straight, and then we're going to wrap it around and secure it with a bobby pin or some hairspray, and I used hairspray to secure. So now we're going to go in to style the ponytail. I am just grabbing small sections of the ponytail and doing some really cute bouncy curls going away from my face. And these are simple curls to do. You just want to take them and feed the hair into the curling iron, and again turn the curling iron away from your face, and boom. And these curls are super easy to do. I have a video up on how I curl my hair as well if you're interested, but there we go. Now I'm going to use my fingers to comb out those curls, and it is giving everything that I needed to give. Like, look how bouncy it is, and look how natural this looks. Like, this ponytail is perfect when you need a emergency hairstyle, or if you got a date night. Now, because of the hairspray and the products sometimes give product buildup and, give that white cast, you can just go in with that bio silk or any oil of your choice to get rid of the white cast that you might have on your hair. So this completes the video, y'all. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, my business, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Mwah.